So yeah, we're at LADEW Gardens, and this is a sold out event for this entire year. It's totally sold out. You have to get tickets way early, and we literally did it on the day, at the moment, at the time that you could get it, and we didn't get it at first. They added some. So I think the key to get tickets here is to be a member of LADEW, and it's really nice here, so I'm excited to go look at some pumpkins.
Yeah, unfortunately it is a little rainy.
It's a little rainy, but I think it adds to the Halloween.
And we're gonna sip and stroll.
Adds to the Halloween feel. All right, come with us. Let's check out pumpkins. Welcome to Garden Glow.
There is something to be said about how you fill the room up. You walk on by and sting my heart with doubt. Did you notice how I fell hard every time I try to call you up? The line is always busy, and when I see you on the street, I know I never want to be alone. All the time I wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor. The simple things we're made of.
Look at that like fog down there. That looks so awesome.
Things we're made of.
Yeah, plenty of food. It's over here. Some more food trucks. But look at that. So cool.
Will you ever be in love with me? Share a piece of your emotion, or will I stay here in the back?
Oh, yeah, get a
and
picture.
see how you squander your devotion. All the time I wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor.
Are you having so much fun?
The simple things we're made of. The simple things we're made of. You will never see me cry.
Out in the Tribune Garden. Lots of cool stuff out
I
here.
hear your last goodbye.
They should have had like all the food trucks down here though, because they're setting tables.
Looking like
But maybe they don't want to like ruin the grass.
you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking. Tell me, am I number one? Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking. Feeling like you're on the run. Breaking, shaking, looking like you're faking. Tell me, am I number one?
There are a lot of bars here. I think I would have had a lot more fun minus the kids. So next time, just us. Alright, I have no idea what this thing is. Someone tell me. Looks like a big worm.
It's moving!
Ah.
Look at that!
So this worm thing is a big hit with the kids. They're loving it. All the kids, they're loving it. What?
Someone's in there!
Someone's in it.
Look! The unicorn. Wait,
Another deal. The evening.
yeah, there's a movie. There's a window This is the same place, but we didn't go down this path. We went down that
Look, it says love.
I know. Baby said that. I don't need the jacket anymore. I don't need it.
We're having so much fun in the rain. Oh my gosh, what a day. So the LADEW Gardens Garden Glow, it's really awesome. I would have had a great time. It's just the weather did not hold out for us, unfortunately. I still enjoyed my time, and the pumpkins, it's really cool to see that big field. You know, I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, where you just have this big, huge field of pumpkins. It's really cool. And LADEW Gardens is absolutely beautiful. It's been a long time since I've been here, and I think I'm definitely going to come in the spring, and I bet you they have gorgeous, I think they have a ton of azaleas. So I'm definitely coming back here. It's beautiful. And I mean, I think this event is just really, really cool. It has a really cool vibe. It's kid friendly, but I think, you know, if you saw our little joke in there, I think it's going to be a girls' night. The girls can go around. They have multiple bars, tons of bars. So I felt like it was really more geared to adults. But I mean, the pumpkins are cool for everybody, of course. But I don't know. I think next time it would be more of an adults thing. I don't know that the kids really, there wasn't a lot for the kids. There wasn't a lot to do for the kids. They had fun going around, but are they entertained by a lot of pumpkins? Not really. Yeah, that is LADEW Garden Glow, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little short one because I'm out of here. It's right. Where are my kids? Just kidding. My sister has them. So yeah, I think we're gonna go find a restaurant around here so we can dry off. All right, till next time, be more adventurous.